Okay, last Cuyonon video for tonight, and this video is just gonna be a quick one over just your simple demonstrative pronouns and location, right? It's not gonna go in depth, sorry. It's just gonna be simple explanation of just basic demonstrative pronouns that are commonly used. We're not gonna talk about the cases. We're not gonna talk about anything else that's just beyond what's here that's written, right? Because it can get that complicated. But no, this is, again, a simple video, one, and two, I'm not a Cuyonon speaker, a Cuyonon Visayan speaker. I'm just here to present information to you. But native speakers of Cuyonon Visayan and Cuyonon language scholars can definitely add on their information and knowledge or whatever they can share with this, right? This is just the platform that I'm providing for you to put out information about the Cuyonon Visayan language. Anyway, our demonstrative pronouns, right? And we're not again gonna look at the case that it's in, but we have dian and dia, right? This and that and this, right? Dian meaning something, it's that meaning far away from you, far away from the speaker, possibly closer to the listener or far away from the listener. And then we have dia, which is this, which is close to the speaker, right? Remember with the words of existence, which is ara, which means none, or mai, which means is there or to exist. Mai dian, ara dian, mai dia, ara dia, right? So you can use those to help you express if there is something this or that or there, right? And finally, we have our location words as well. So digi and dutu, right? Digi and dutu, right? Digi means here, right? Digi, right? That e meaning here, and that dutu meaning there, dutu. So digi and dutu meaning here or there. And then just a little bonus is maraya, right? Maraya, and maraya means far. It's like the Tagalog malayo, but maraya. Remember that e makes an sound, so maraya meaning far. Far away, very far. Maraya, as in marayang lugar. Okay, marayang lugar, a faraway place. So this is something that can help you out with expressing yourself in the Cuyonon Visayan language.